Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. How many diagonals will be there in a 6-side regular polygon? So if this is A, B, C, D, E and F, regular polygon A, B, C, D, E, F. Regular polygon means length of all sides are equal. Now we have to find the number of diagonals here, where the number of sides is given as 6 sides. So we know that the number of diagonals in a regular polygon that have n sides is given as n multiplied by n minus 3 divided by 2. So this is the formula for the number of diagonals in a regular polygon. Here n is 6. So let's substitute the value of n as 6. Since n is 6, we can find it 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9. So 9 is the number of diagonals, which is option A. Hence we can say that the answer is option A.